Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. We're going to take these hot sticks, adding just a little bit of mousse, separating small pieces about 1/4 inch in the front, and just begin adding curlers to the top of the head. I'm going to start on the sides now, about 1/4 inches on each side, and then just going back same way. We're just going to be curling the front part of our head. We're going to begin adding curlers around the ear as well, and then right behind the ear. Now I'm going to take the back part, brushing it smooth, and split it into 2 pieces and begin making a 3-strand braid. Once we've got a little bit braided, I'm going to begin pushing up, making a snake braid. This is just going to shorten the hair a little bit, and it's going to make it easier to make a bun in the back. Adding an elastic on the end, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Split it into 3 pieces over the middle. If you don't know how to braid, I do have a short video on how to do that if you want to check out my shorts. Again, pushing up on the braid, making a snake braid. Now I'm going to take these giant bobby pins. I love these so much. They're huge. I can have a link below on where to get these. These are really good. And just begin making a bun in the back. It doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to cover this bun with the curls. Just fold it over and then pin, and then just wrapping the ends around your fingers and then pushing the end into the bun and pin that there. Now we're going to take the curls out in the front. These curlers make beautiful ringlets. Just unwrapping each curl. Now once we're done unwrapping all the curls, we're going to just brush back the front pieces and begin pinning. Start on one side and then just work your way across your head, pinning into the bun, and then just pushing up on the curls, pin each curl into the bun, hairspray it in the front, making sure there's no flyaways, and then you are done. If you want to add a headband, that will make your princess updo absolutely perfect. And this is the hairstyle. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Subscribe below if you haven't, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Love you. Bye.